This is Patrick from Pals Ocala Auto Repair. Today we are at Sloan Morton's shop, Morton Custom Interiors. Sloan is going to take these old seats from our 66 Corvette and turn them into new seats with the saddle tan interior that Jennifer wants for her car. Sloan, tell us about it.
Well, these are aftermarket seat covers here, and aftermarket buns, which is new foam. And you can see the difference between these two. And just because they're new doesn't mean they fit. But I will modify this new foam to look like the original and install these new leather seat covers on here.
Terrific. So it'll be just like a brand new interior when you get
brand new
there.
seat, when you just like it was made in 1966. When I'm done with it.
I love it. Thank you, Sloan.
You're welcome.
If you have interior work, come to Morton Custom Interiors or Pals Ocala Auto Repair. See you soon.